Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 8th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, it looks pretty much confirmed almost that we are going back down. I still think this move down is either an A or 1. This is three waves up for either a B or 2. I still think this is very, very likely to go down for a wave C. Or possibly it really is a wave three, and if it is, then it might just go all the way down to there, around the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. Either way, at this point, I definitely don't think it's important to know whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave three, because either scenario leads to a lot of pips to the downside. So heading down to the weekly time frame, it definitely looks like the end of a correction. It looks like a wave one. It looks like this is a corrective wave two. Definitely looks like a wave three. Most likely, this is going to make lower lows, lower highs for the next several weeks and probably months, going down for a wave three of wave C. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, it did miss the fib level a little bit, but as you can see on the weekly, it actually had a very hard time closing above the 50% on the weekly. So I almost consider it respecting the 50%. To me, it definitely looks like an uptrend. A, three waves down. B, one, two, three, four, five, very, very overlapping. Probably an ending diagonal wave. C, very impulsive down, but couple different breaks of structure. Definitely looks to me like the end of a wave two, a wave one, and now we are very likely going down for a wave three. So if that's the case, even if this does make a move to the upside, it's almost very, very likely to be a correction to this move down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we do have non-farm payroll coming out today, and the trend looks like it's pretty well confirmed. If anything, the news might cause it to go up, but even if it does cause it to go up, it's probably just likely to be another correction to the downtrend. So really the strategy at this point is to either be short already and looking for an exit, or the strategy is to be patiently waiting for another pullback, another ABC correction to go short at the end of it for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, the way that some of these patterns look, it does kind of make me think that today's news, non-farm payroll news, is going to cause the dollar to go up. But like I said, I think it's extremely likely that this move up is just a correction to the move down. And for me personally, because I'm definitely not a scalper, I'm more of a day slash swing trader. I am not even going to think about going up long on this thing. Instead, I am patiently going to wait for the next pullback for the continuation of the downtrend to go short again. And honestly, this if this really is a wave three on the higher time frames, of which it looks like it is, then this very easily could just keep on drifting down like that. So that's why I think it's so dangerous to even try to go long when you're in the middle, possibly of a big wave three on like the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.